Hello YouTube. You can barely see Caitlin. This box is massive. This is the one from Costco. We actually got one on their website. I read it in virtual line.
Yeah, that was fun.
But it wasn't too bad. They sold them in a 2-pack, so that's pretty cool. We'll save the other one for another day. This is the Unova Heavy Hitters Premium Collection. Comes with 6 Black Bolt and 6 White Flare, which is pretty cool, and some promos.
Crazy collections. Justin, Riley, Caitlin.
But this box, it's, well, anytime, usually Costco does a, or Pokemon does a special box like this for Costco. Usually, oh, they actually put tape on it. The boxes are usually huge. Like the Sam's Club Heavy Hitter one. That one was. The one with Tyranitar. That
Yeah.
one I think was even bigger than this box. That one came with 14 packs. This one's like 12.
Oh boy.
Yeah. Hey, this box actually has a code card.
That's surprising.
The card? Look at the promos here in a second. Yeah. I don't know what to do. Just, I don't have enough room. Alright, so we got the Jumbo Serum EX. Then the promos, so we got Reshiram EX with a White Flare stamp. Zekrom EX with a Black Bolt stamp. Zork with White Flare. And Victini with Black Bolt stamp. Yeah. So, which do you want to open? You want to go first?
Yep.
Yeah. Black Bolt?
Yep.
I really hope that Pokemon never does 2 sets at one time again.
Right.
In English. Fine in Japanese.
I don't know how to say it. Logo. Think. Uptoad. Cross. Again, not pronouncing that. Bitter. Tranquil. Valion.
Yeah, you got a Hollow Energy.
Yep. That counts. Bad luck.
Try some White Flare here. I keep my code cards because I play online. Caitlin gives hers away. Lillipup. Pig. Basculin. Craggy. Grant. Substrika. Sure.
I don't know.
Little Scrapper. Boldor. Is it a clown?
Yeah.
Kind of creepy.
It is.
Oh, got another Hollow Energy.
It's a little.
Alrighty.
And I.
Does it not want to focus? Wants to focus on her hand. There you go.
There we go. Fossil. Bitter. Irvine. Herp. Fuga. Impulse. Aractus. Fracture. Heracross.
Heracross.
Not Heracross. Actress. Oh god.
Here you go. I'm gonna open up a Black Bolt. Then you can have a White Flare.
Okay. Can't pronounce names. I saw an H, and that's all I saw. Oh boy.
Rook. Barnyard. Pansage. And Pour.
Can you get pin?
Energy Coin. Crystal. Oh. God.
I hate it.
Yeah, his runny nose is just...
Wait, the...
Oh, snotted up?
Yes. That...
And then if you read the attack, it's basically stuck in his snot. We'll sleeve that one. Victini. Oh, another Hollow Energy.
Okay, can I pronounce name?
No. What are you opening?
The White Flag?
Oh.
Darua, Prettier, Vanillite, Galvantula, and Ice Cream Clown, Pokeball, Luvet, Oddish,
Oh, it is. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Reshiram.
I'm not gonna sleeve rush around because we've gotten a bunch of those.
Okay.
Good player. Reggie, pulling up his pants.
Always.
Ragnarola. Gothita? Summit? Yeah. Also pulling up his pants. In Shao or Rubat. Tara Cohen. Wow, we're getting a lot of hollow energies, which is pretty cool.
Critter, Autono, Krokorok, Entei, oh, Nicholas, Mariviri, that's Master Ball,
Oh wow,
and Pheasant,
pretty cool.
a Sharp. Oh,
Wow,
okay. I don't think we have that one.
I don't think so either.
Genesect. Lux turn.
Let's go to the casino.
No.
Like an instant no.
No.
Sure, I'm gonna trade you.
Okay.
Oh, like, oh. And dial.
Whatever that is.
Like an alien
It is.
mouse.
Ears.
Yeah.
A knife.
Fish. Heel. Yeah. Coin. Bird.
I have no idea.
The Great Value version of Clefairy.
Yes. I'd go with that.
Thunderous.
Message the dude.
Just a dude. That's funny. Just a dude.
Honestly. White Flare. Willows. Cottony. Fossil. Blitzel. Parathorn. Sigalith. Gigalith.
Creepy clown.
Yep.
Oh, it's a Pokeball though.
Yep. Fat Rat.
Oh.
Shit.
Read that out.
You're fine. Alright.
Wow, you really tossed that one.
I can throw
Riley.
it with my right, just not with my left.
Or a white player. Grillish. Dora. Waddle. Glut. Energy Retrieval. Fauna. Heatmore. Parathorn.
Mhm.
Waddle. I don't know if you guys can hear our dog going crazy. I'm expecting a package from UPS, so they're probably at the door.
Yeah, probably.
Oh. Chandelier. That's kind of cool. I like that there's like so much color going on.
I do. I like, what is it? Illustration rares?
Oh,
Words?
yeah.
I
What's this word you speak of?
have no idea. I thought it was my. Let's go.
I hate when we get to the end.
Right? Simple, Dial, Turbine, Fossil, Crisis Research, and Pheasant. Snowflake. What that is. Dynamo.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I'm not going to sleep that one either, because I'm sure some of these, even though they're rares,
I think we have
fairly
hope.
common.
I think we have a lot of spirit.
And last pack, white flare. Ragnarola. Batita. Helmet.
Oh,
Panseer.
there's the pen.
Scrafty. Watchhog. Brave Bengal. Or Clown. Oh, God. Eldeo.
A whole bunch of them.
Yes. And energy.
That wasn't that bad.
No. Actually, decent amount of hits.
Yeah. My favorite one is
Waddle. Yeah, that one's Alright. Like, subscribe, comment, all that fun stuff, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.